Most people think finding winning stocks means staring at charts or reading endless financial news. It doesn't. In fact, some of the world's best investors start with one simple question. What do I use almost every single day? Look around your house, your iPhone, your Costco membership, your Microsoft Office subscription, your Visa card. None of these companies became giants overnight. They became part of people's daily lives. And that's exactly what long-term investors look for. Here's the secret. Don't chase the hottest stock. Look for businesses people can't easily walk away from. Take Apple. Once your photos, messages, apps, AirPods, Apple Watch, and iCloud are connected, switching to another phone isn't just expensive, it's inconvenient. That's called a competitive advantage. Now think about Visa. Every time someone buys coffee, groceries, books a vacation, or fills up their gas tank, there's a good chance Visa earns a small fee. One purchase isn't exciting. Billions of purchases are. That's the power of scale. Now ask yourself this. If the economy slows down, will businesses stop using Microsoft? Will families stop buying groceries at Costco? Probably not. Great companies don't depend on hype. They solve everyday problems that never go away. So before you buy any stock, ask yourself 3 simple questions. Would I still use this product 5 years from now? Would customers find it difficult to switch to a competitor? Is this company consistently making real profits? If the answer is yes to all 3, you may have found a business that's built to last. Remember, the stock market changes every day. Great businesses don't. Sometimes the best investment opportunities aren't hidden on Wall Street. They're already sitting in your wallet, on your desk, or inside your home. Disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and is not financial advice. Always do your own research before investing.